on to next step. So where we finished? We finished here. Okay, from here, see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just kick your right leg and see. 1, place, 2, place, 3, place, 4, place. Okay, see. 1, while place, take this left leg. 2, place, 3, place, 4. Okay, with hand, see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, take your right leg and hand. Rotate. See. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, ready. From here, ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Straight. We'll see one more. Ready? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? From here, we go on to next step. From here, see, just 1. Open both hand, both leg on right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, ready? Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fast. For single count, you have to finish 1, 2, 3, 4. Right side, left side, right side, left side. Okay, ready? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, take your right leg and left side. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right leg, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your toe. Toe, place it. Toe, place it. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Do together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? This will come fast. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Like that. Ready? We'll do all steps. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay? Okay. Now, we finished here now. From here, next step. See. 1. Rotate your hand. 1. Right leg in toe. 2. 1, 2. Okay? See. 1, 2. Right leg, then left leg. 1, 2. Same hand. Right hand only. 1, 2. From here, cross your left leg. See. 3, 4. Open your right leg. Finished here now. From here, see. We finished here now. From here, 1, 2. Okay, one more. Ready? 3, 1, 2. From here, we finished here now. From here, 1, 2. Okay, then 3, 4. See, 3, 4. Like that. Okay, we'll see one more. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rotate. One more. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you will see one more. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here, next step. See, do like this. And 1, 2. See, both legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Ready, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. From here, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now just wave. 1, 2. Understand? Down. Ready? We finished here now. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, this one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Waves. See. You take from here. Okay. Now I count from here. Okay. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. So this is we are going to see in music.
आया हूँ आज मैं लेके जाऊंगा दिल तेरा रोके कोई मुझे टोके कोई मुझे दूंगा उसे जहाँ से मिटा.
Okay, the balance step we will see in next session.
La, la, la.